Here we will see raise an exception in Python. If user want Python to throw a custom exception for error handling, he can handle this by checking a condition and raising the exception if the condition is true. The raised exception typically wants the user or calling application. Raise function interrupts the normal execution process of a program and throw a Python exception manually. It signals the presence of special circumstances such as exceptions or errors. You can also add a message to describe the exception. General syntax is raise exception type as type. The exception type is a subclass of the exception class. The base exception class has the init method that accepts the argument. That is, you can pass any number of arguments to the exception object when raising an exception. For example, if we want to do division of the two numbers and if the second number is 0, it will give error. So inside try block, we will check if b is equal to 0, raise a value error with message second number must be greater than 0, and if it is not 0, in else statement we will print c equal to a divided by b, and in except statement we will print value error as print exception with arguments, and if no error occurs, in else statement we will print division is c. If we give the b as a 0, the output will be second number must be greater than 0. That is the message that we have given in the raise statement. Now we will execute this program. For this we will open the IDLE. Then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will accept two numbers from the user. So a equal to input, enter first number. Then in b we will accept second number. So b equal to int, input second number. In try block we will check if b is equal to 0. So if b equal to 0, we will raise an exception. So raise value error, and we will write the message second number should be greater than 0. And in else statement we will calculate c equal to a divided by b. Then in except we will write value error as ex, and we will print ex.args. That is the argument that we have passed with value error, which is second number should be greater than 0. And in default else statement we will print division as c. Then we will save this. Then we will execute this. I will enter first number as 6, second number as 3. It will print division as 2. I will again execute this. I will give first number as 6, second number as 0. It will print the message second number should be greater than 0. That is, when second number is 0, it will raise the error and print the message second number should be greater than 0.